So today we are going to see the SQL select statement. Okay guys, so this is the basic statement we're gonna use today, SQL select statement. So okay, so let's start. So how to select a data? Okay, before selecting a data you need to use which database you have to use. So now right now I have like HR, Northwind, Shakila, Shubham. So this many database I have. In this database I have this tables, and this tables this I have the sheets, which is country. In countries I have columns. Okay, so basically I just need to select the employee table. I need to see what is there in the employee table. So the command which I will write is SELECT select star from employees. Okay guys, so I will explain you what each and every function does. So okay, so before using the database you are getting this error. Okay, you need to select the database. So select the database, you need to use HR. So use HR is a database name. I will run this first. Okay, then I will run this. So this way our query gets run. So anytime before starting or selecting anything you should use this function called user. Okay, so this you need to use before selecting anything. Let me tell you one new thing. So you know guys, this selects from, these are not functions. Okay, these are clauses. The functions are like max, okay, then minimum, anything which has a bracket in it. Okay, so what are the functions? Functions are like predefined codes. Okay, their codes have been written behind it. You are just using them again. So max, minimum, sum, etc, average, okay, etc, etc. So all these things are functions, and these are clauses. Select from where. So as you see, I'm selecting using a select command. Star defines select everything from this particular table. See, I'm getting everything from employees. Okay, so from which table I want? Employees. Okay, so this is how the select statement work for. Now let's go to somewhat deep. So for example, I want to see uh, how many people are there in department manager, department ID 90. Okay, so I want to get all the people who are in basically department ID 90. So what I will do is I'll write same thing I'm using. I'll write where. So you basically you can write a full name, or you can just double click on this department ID. Okay, it will basically, so I want department ID 90. So I will select staff from employees where department ID is 90. So if I run this, I will get all the employees who are in department ID 90. So this star basically is used to define how many columns you want. I know if I want only the first name, and I want job ID. Okay, so I will select these two things only, and it will only give me these two particular columns. Okay, so this is how the select statement work, guys. Hope you got it, and that's all for the select statement. See you in the next video. Thank you.